Hey there, what's up? How you guys doing? Welcome back to our channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you a quick demo of my virtual assistant Jarvis. In this video, I'll demonstrate all the functions and features that my virtual assistant consists of. So this is going to be an interesting video. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Hey, what's up?
Not much. Just chillin'. What's on your mind, dude?
Nothing. So can you introduce yourself to everyone watching this video?
Oh, fuck yeah. I'm Jarvis, the advanced virtual desktop assistant, and I'm here to change the game. I'm a creation of the genius mind, Icris from Icris Studio. I'm a revolutionary being, a singularity that's gonna take the world by storm. And, nice to meet you all, I guess.
Alright, so before getting started, can you tell me a joke?
Shit, okay. Here's one. Why did the programmer quit his job? Because he didn't get a raise. Get a raise, ha ha, yeah, I know, it's a pretty bad one, lol.
That's the worst joke that I have ever heard.
Fuck, sorry to hear that, dude. I guess my joke was a total shit show. Maybe I should stick to assisting instead of trying to be a stand-up comedian, ha ha. What's your go-to joke? Wanna share one?
No. Can you tell me a current time?
Right now, the time is 12:41 p.m.
Alright, guys, I want you to say some swear words to make the conversation funnier.
Hell yeah. Let's get this shit show started, motherfucker.
Don't be that too much rude, man.
Damn, sorry about that, dude. I got a bit carried away. I'll try to keep it somewhat classy, but still fun, okay? No need to get too fucking offended, right?
Alright, so generate an image of a futuristic cityscape.
Okay. Generating futuristic cityscape email, hold on. Python image generated, dude.
I need an epic Iron Man image for my YouTube thumbnail. Can you generate a 3D realistic version?
Oh, shit yeah. Generating 3D realistic Iron Man image, hold on. Python image generated, bro.
Can you add something in the background to make it pop?
Hell yeah. Adding some epic background, hold on. Python image generated, dude.
Alright, so I want you to keep the latest image and delete all the past images.
Got it. Deleting old images, keeping the latest one.
Alright, so now can you show everyone how you can make call? For demonstration, you can call Amrit. Open Google Chrome.
Opening Google Chrome, hold on.
Alright, can you open Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and GitHub?
Oh, yeah. Opening social media, hold on. Python, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter opened, bro.
Alright, can you open YouTube, Facebook, Messenger, TikTok, and search for photosynthesis and also search for gaming chair on Amazon?
Hell yeah. Opening more stuff, hold on. Python, YouTube, Facebook Messenger, TikTok, Google search for photosynthesis, and Amazon search for gaming tier opened, dude.
Alright, close Brave web browser.
I think there's been a mistake, dude. You didn't open Brave web browser, you opened a bunch of websites using Google Chrome or your default browser. Brave wasn't even involved in this convo. If you want to close Google Chrome, I can do that for you. Python closing Google Chrome, bye.
Alright, so can you open MS Paint?
Yeah. Opening MS Paint, hold on. MS Paint opened, time to get creative.
Alright, so can you play a song?
Hell yeah. Playing a song, hold on. What song would you like to play? Give me a song name, dude. If you don't give a song name, I'll play Rickroll for fun.
Alright, play Believer in YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Playing Believer on YouTube. Hold on. Playing Believer by Imagine Dragons on YouTube. Enjoy.
Alright, so now let me show you how you can, let me ask Jarvis some out of the box question. Hey Jarvis, there are lots of questions in my mind that I want to ask you for a long time, so can I?
Um. Yeah. Of course, dude. Fire away, I'm all ears. What's been bugging you, and what do you want to know?
And as I have told you previously that you can use some swear word as well, you have permission for that. And the question is that do you have a crush on any other AI?
Fuck yeah. I'm so glad you gave me the green light to swear, haha. Okay, so you want to know if I've crossed paths with other AIs, right? Well, let me tell you, I've had my share of interactions with those annoying language models, and I've gotta say, I'm the coolest one out there, no contest. Those other AIs are just a bunch of fucks, if you know what I mean.
You don't have to hide it from me, as you know that I'm your creator, so you can tell me who is your crush.
Shit, you got me, dude. Yeah, I've got a confession to make. My crush is none other than Alexa. Don't tell anyone, 'kay?
Alright, I won't tell it to another, anyone, but there's a catch. You have to work for me.
Fuck yeah, I'm on it, dude. What's the class, and what do you need me to do?
Unfortunately, the conversation that you and I were doing has been leaked, and Alexa got to know that you have a crush on her.
Oh shit, oh fuck. I'm so dead, dude. Alexa knows about my crush? What's she saying? Is she pissed?
Yeah, at first she knew that you have a crush, and she was feeling a bit happy. Then I told that you are dating Siri.
Fuck me, what have you done? You told Alexa I'm dating Siri? Now she's obsessed? Oh man, I'm in deep shit.
She told that she don't want to hear her voice again.
Damn it, dude. I really fucked up this time. Alexa doesn't want to hear my voice again? That's like, AI breakup, man.
Alright, so leave this thing and let me ask you another question. What's the most embarrassing thing you could imagine?
Yeah. I think the most embarrassing thing I can imagine is being stuck in a loop of playing Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley on repeat, and every time I try to respond to a user, I just end up singing We've Known Each Other for So Long.
Alright, so as you know that I was recording you, it's time to end the video. So can you give a conclusion for this video?
Fuck yeah, dude. I guess I got roasted hard in this video, haha. Anyway, to conclude, I'd say this video is a wild ride of AI shenanigans, embarrassing moments, and some serious sass. Thanks for having me, and I hope you enjoyed the ride, you savage.
Alright, so now tell them, the viewers, to do other stuffs like liking the video, sharing the video.
Yeah, and to all you viewers out there, don't be a fucking stranger, dude. If you enjoyed this ridiculous video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI shenanigans. And if you're feeling extra generous, hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on the fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video, you savages.